Tang shala bakmara abjani Tripura motha tang nogo 47 Ambasha Block Committee ni tui durmung bai bodoni tang phangrok nati kokja panda songte jakha 47 Ambasha Block bai khobja 17ta village panchayat ni sector chairman roknatei no kokja panda Buskani village committee chongmariwo bodoni tang phangrok ni samung khlai theni kok rokno sanani bagino okokja panda songte jakha TTAADC ni dolai zonal chairman Premlal Morsham no khobai hangkor ei block bereni tang phangrok bo tongbai kha
Pelaino ambai sini tapu media no tini 47 Ambasha Block Committee by Wajijak kaisa bakmara sini Tripura motha party office hainai VC election no tuye kaisa kok supply mungpan narkhan oro protiktik village committee ni chairman YTF TWF Tripura motha ni joto adong rokno paimanjak phaika tini discussion ong kamono tabo hainai sini VC election no tuye preparation ba candidate abono tuye chung kok supply kha sini asa bisas 47 Ambasha constitution ni bisingo je 17ta village committee tongmani abo election angkangkai already no chung ready tabo fight ongnani bagai tiar ungjak 17ta village committee no Tripura mothani ago phainai tei haimani pore o Ambasha RD block ni BC chairman bo sini Tripura mothani ongnai abo sini asa bisas joto tabo tiar ungjak wat chung meeting misil gerua uthan soba abo choli tongo belai kheno khasrangai tongo village committee booth bufrong nai abono khub ha tongthogai nai singlaijak public jara voters rok abo chini asa bisas 47 Ambasha ni jeti o block antargoto 17ta BC abo sini jagono phainai।